What's up, guys? We're back at it. We got our seals and bearings for the Ltz250 rear end here. That's what we're going to work on today, is tearing all the bearings and seals out of this and getting it all cleaned up and getting ready. This thing's just a total mess. As you can tell, they ran it through some mud and it got in here and it just wiped out all the bearings and that. So we're going to tear all that out, clean it up. And so we're going to do that. We got the ultrasonic cleaner warming up. That way we can drop our parts in there and let that thing do its job. And then we'll put it all back together and have that thing up and running. Last video I threw the Ozark, it was an Ozark rear end on it, just ran it, made sure it shifted all the gears and that, which it does. So I'm pretty stoked for the price I paid for it. Shouldn't have too much money into it, so that's what we're going to do, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got the seal off, this seal in here, and then that bearing out, which is right there in pieces. This piece here, we can't get out right now. One reason is because I think this is a nut by the looks of it. It looks like it's a nut, so we'll probably have to get a tool, but we're going to go ahead and throw this in the ultrasonic cleaner. That way it can be cleaned the best it can for now, and then I'll do some research and see if this is not a nut. I'm pretty sure that it is, but we'll double check, and then we'll throw this back together when we can. But right now we're going to go ahead and throw it in the ultrasonic cleaner, which it's at 53 out of 55 Celsius, which is fine with me because it's still like 100 and some degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot. I'm gonna drop it. Woo. All right, we're gonna turn it up to, we're gonna do 20 minutes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start it. We're gonna walk away because it makes a godforsaken noise. Hey guys, we got the drum off, so we can continue to move forward on this. We'll take the brake shoes off, which they're still easily half there, so we're going to reuse them. We'll just clean them up good, scuff them up, get them ready, and then we'll press this bearing out, put the new bearing in, and get this piece ready. Unfortunately, on this piece, we're going to either have to make a tool. Actually, I'll probably just buy the tool, the correct tool for it. That way I have it. It goes in here and you can see these little like grooves that it's like a socket, and it sits right inside there, so you can back that retainer out, so you can pull this pinion gear out and get the bearings out here. So this will be we won't finish the rear end in this video, But the next video after this one, we will finish assembling the rear end and putting it back in the quad and riding the quad around so you can see that it works in that. But we're going to continue to move forward on what we can do. So we'll clean this all up, get this ready, clean this up, get it nice and clean. We got to clean the inside here real well because there's a bunch of gunk in there also. But we're going to continue to move forwards on what we can do. Alrighty, so my dad helped me build this tool right here. That's what he was doing, was reaming out the middle of that big nut, and I went and found this nut here and then welded it on. But it's still kind of warm. Yeah, but got it loose. We could take it out to get that pinion gear out, but had to use this massive crescent wrench here to get that thing to bust free. But we got it. Now we can continue on. We didn't have to buy a tool, so that's awesome.